All right, so we're going to go ahead and solve 2 sine squared of x plus 3 sine of x plus 1 equals 0. And I know the directions that I posted up there, these just come from your textbook, and it says use a graphing utility to graph it and to find the zeros. And so we're gonna do the graphing utility part in class. I'm going to show you how you can also find the solutions by that matter. Nevertheless, when you use a graphing utility, it's only going to give you the decimal version. And as you can see, the way that we've been driving our answers have been using the unit circle, and we've been giving we've been driving nice radian measurements. So I guess the graphing utility can just be kind of used just to verify your answer in a way. But we're going to go ahead and solve this then by hand. All right. So we need to first recognize that this is a quadratic type, meaning I can let x equal sine of x. So I'm gonna replace all the signs with x. So 2, oops, not sine again. Let me do that over again. So I'm gonna do 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. And I'm gonna factor the left side because it's a quadratic. So 2x, I know that's gonna be x right there. And my last numbers need to be 1. There's no minuses, so I'm just going to put pluses right here. And this is check it. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 1 is 2x. 1 times x plus the 2x is 3x. And 1 times 1 is 1. Good. So now let's replace all the x's with sine. So 2 sine of x plus 1. And sine of x plus 1 equals 0. All right, so just like last problem, we set each factor equal to 0 and solve. So I'll take my first one, 2 sine of x plus 1 equals 0. If I solve for sine of x, I'll get negative 1/2. And this is just like the last problem, so I'll just use those same answers. 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. Cool. Now let's use this factor. Sine of x plus 1 equals 0. I'm going to subtract 1 to both sides. And let's see here. Sine of what is negative 1? Well, that's going to be at down near the fourth quadrant, third and fourth quadrant, in between the two. So that's going to be x equals 3 pi over 2. So those are the three values that will give us our solutions.